Hello, hi, Magandhan Umaga. I am Dr. Muhammad Khan, naturopathic, and I am, thanks to God, giving the new life, and I, I'll pray for everyone to keep safe, keep healthy, and I hope all is well. So everyone, we have to say thanks to God because He's the best doctor, great doctor. Because whose life in the God have, you don't have any problem. So that's why we have to choose the right path, and so our life come good, because this life is very important. This is gift of God. If you understand people what the meaning of life, for him this life very important. If you not understand, for them this life is nothing, wasting time. This life is very important, and we have to see the right path, and we have to see where is the God. Earth and sky, who making? The God. And we are not doing anything, and just we saying, oh God, God not coming happy. We have to think, how do I make my God happy so I get the heaven? What I have do so my God come happy, so I get the heaven. God said, don't come selfish. Don't come selfish. You must make your life is objective to help others. When you help others, you feel happy. Do good, get good. This is the life. Come soft. Make your heart soft. So your heart is soft. See, if you give someone one glass of water, you feel very happy. That's why see, I am my this, because this one, I doing for the want to come myself happy. This my treatment the free for all, everyone. I not charging any fees. I just telling how to cure your health. You can cure yourself at home. No need to go any place. And this is very easy. The nature what saying? Nature saying, eat always living food, drink alkaline water. Your body is coming always alkaline. So today we are talking how to drink the water. So I want to keep you healthy, and if you follow me, you are already healthy. You never get the virus. You never come positive. This is my challenge. That's why I said always drink the ginger tea, so you never come positive. Every your friends have any problems, they say you are positive. Please give them, drink the ginger tea. And very easy to make ginger tea. Just boil 1 cup of water, and crush the ginger 1 inch and put there, boil it. Then put half lemon or calamansi. No, it's okay, no problem. Just put juice calamansi half. If you small, put 1 calamansi, or if you big, put a half. And don't put the seed. And if your skin is clean, you can put skin also. If you don't skin clean, only just put juice and boil it. And you add, if you have rock salt, or you don't have, just make cool down, take it out and just make little bit cool, then put honey. If you know honey, you drink like that also. It's the best, more best, because honey is not pure. So you can drink that one. And or you have jaggery, you can put little bit jaggery, no problem. If you don't have diabetes, you can add the sugar also. If you have diabetes, don't add the sugar. So this is very benefit. Or if you add little bit moringa leaves inside, the more you have benefit. If you drink this one, my challenge, and when you are eat food, always when you are eat food, just eat little half-inch piece ginger, keep your mouth in, bite it, little juice suck from there. So you see, you never get the virus, never. This is my challenge. You can tell your friend and neighbors. So this I give tips. So now let's start the water. Our body, for how much important our body to water. Our body is 65% we have water, our body. Everyone carry 45 liter with the body with the water. You must be know how to drink the water, what important our body for water. You know, every 20 kg our body need 1 liter water. Example, you have 100, your weight is 100 kg, you should be have to need 5 liter water every day have to drink. You have 80 kilo weight, you must be 4 liter water you have to drink. How you drink? Drink sip by sip. You know, if sometime you are coming headache, what we doing? Drinking coffee? No. Coffee making, you know, hydrate. Coffee making hydrate, so no need to drink the coffee. That time, when what you need? Hydration. Hydration means you need water. You have water, you drink water. Your body need water because your body coming dry, that's why coming headache, because temperature coming high. When you drink the water, your body getting cool. The sweating, the water and salt, because when our body sweating, the water salt coming, body throwing water and salt, that going in the air, steam going in the air. So our body coming, when we drink the water, our body coming cool. So our body need the water. You know, our blood in, there is plasma. Plasma, we have 55%. And red blood and the white blood, we have 45%. The plasma means water. Water have 55%. So our body, our brain also, you know, we have 70% water. Our muscles have 70% water. If you know water, muscles coming dry, same like we are getting old. So if you drink the water, if you not drink water, what happened? You get obesity. Obesity means you are getting fat because your body coming dry and air coming inside. So we need the water. You are when you are every day you see how much your weight. If you are 100, you must be drink 100 weight. You must drink 5 liter per day. If your weight is 80, you must be drink 4 liter per day. Per 20 kg. What I say, per 20 kg we need 1 liter water. So when you drink the water is very important. You growing your hair, growing your skin, growing your nails, growing your blood, growing your body. You look beautiful. So water is very important our body. If you drink the water proper way, you never go your high BP. You never go cholesterol because your fat burning. If you not drink water, you have lot of problem. That's why I said you have drink and must be, you know, better. You have to exercise. The best exercise is what? The medication is just walking. You have to morning walk at least 30 minutes, 35 minutes. Every day you have to walk. If you walk, you never get any disease, never get virus. Because when you are oily food eating, you are doing what you are doing? Nothing. So virus is there. Even you made the brush and the toothbrush, that also virus. Bacteria there is coming your mouth. So always if you eat ginger after food, if you not feel hungry, you see small piece, cut the ginger, put the salt little bit and eat like that. You will be feel hungry. You get the hungry. So if you not feel you don't like to eat, you will be eat. And then when finish your food, just eat ginger. So that means you don't have any virus in your body. And the ginger is, you know, folic acid. And when you are eating, don't drink water. If you eat between the food, the water, this is the coming poison. Your food is, digestion will be spoiled. Now the digestion is, your food is never come digestion. Then you get allergy, your food not coming melt, not cooking in the stomach. So you are getting so many disease. When you are eating, our food is inside cooking in the stomach. So 1 hour you don't need to drink water. If you want drink, just put calamansi and drink. No pure water you are drinking. Never. That one making food poison. And you want drink before food, 40 minutes before you have drink. This you remember, you do this one, you never come any problems. When you are eating, don't drink water. You can drink juice, you can drink yogurt or buttermilk, no problem. But after food, you have to wait for 1 hour. Or you cannot wait, then you put lemon or calamansi, put inside you can drink, but no plain water. Okay, so these things you remember. And I said, when you are eating before food, why I say every video in, because I want to remind you, so you keep your health yourself. So before food, you have your if you have possible, you can eat salad. If you don't have possible, you have moringa. Just bring the leaves, moringa leaves, and boil it and drink 200 ml or 250 ml before food. Drink after you eat your food. So you are not coming. This moringa water will be clean the acidic. Your food not coming acidic. When you finish your food, make urine. Finish your food, make urine, and wait for 1 hour for drink water. Every day you make before food, you must be drink moringa juice. Make the moringa juice, or you can 250 ml, just drink. And rice also, you boil the moringa leaves and strainer that water in boil your rice and eat. You never go sugar, you are up. And always you are healthy, not coming acidic, your body coming alkaline. Make your body alkaline. So must be have to drink water always. Before you sleeping, drink 1 glass. You must be think, my weight is 50, so you have to drink how much? 2.5 liter water you have drink. Your weight is 50, you must be drink 2.5 liter. So you are 40, you must be drink 2 liter. You are 20 never coming, must be 40, 30, like that. So I tell you what, 20 kg weight, 1 liter, 40 kg, 2 liter, 60, 3 liter, 80, 4 liter, 100, 5 liter. So you know how to drink water. And our body, you see in the earth, even earth is 75% is water, 25 is earth. So see, our body also like that. That's why I say everyone carry 45 liter water with us. Our body in have. Like your weight is 80. So your weight how much? Yani 45, you have water your body in. And the balance, your body. Same 100, some people have, the old men, if old people have 100, the weight, they have 50% water in body. Because why? Because they are old. And if you are not drinking water proper way, you getting very fast old. Your skin not shining. So you keep your body in the water. Okay. What I said, when you not drink water, then you are coming headache. Why headache coming? Because our temperature is coming high. When you drink the water, your body coming cold. So headache. When you are headache, don't drink coffee. You drink the water. 2 glass, you can drink 3 glass water. Then you walk. No need any medicine. Just walk 5 minutes. Or walk, and if you walk, your headache going. If you have migraine, something, your headache, then you go room, close all light, make dark, and you sleep inside the room. Maybe 1 hour, half an hour. Because when you sleep in the dark place, your body making good hormone. That hormone repairing our body. So these things, if you listen and you do these things yourself, and you will be know, because your body, you are the one doctor. So you no need to put your chemical your body in. Whatever, if you eat, what I say, the vegetables and fruit, this is the medicine. This is alkaline, 100% alkaline. So if you do this one, your immunity coming strong, your healing power coming strong, your body power coming strong, because your body, same our kidney, waste all throwing out, blood making clean. Same our body also, how much weight he need, he not. But you are eating extra without water, dry things, then your body coming what? Because your water not enough, your body coming obesity. Obesity means you are getting fat. You are getting fat means you are getting so many diseases. That's why I said you must drink how much water, how much capacity, and drink sip by sip. Don't drink like this, keeping bottle mouth in. No. You drink slowly. Whatever you drink slowly, this is the medicine. You drink fast, this is the poison. So I tell you everything, how do you care your health, how to care your lifestyle. Lifestyle must be care the nature way. Eat the more green things. How much you eat the green, your body coming automatically. You have even blood cancer, you have tumor, you have thyroid, you just eat the green. You put your body in, you have breast problem. You drink the 15 days green juice. See your all breast, any problem your body in have, tumor have, problem have, breast cancer have, how anything. You stop the cooking food and drink this. You drink 15 days, 1 month, your breast problem coming, you have uterus problem, whatever your body in, all is going. Stop the acidic. Stop acidic food. Eat the alkaline. Make your body alkaline. Make pH level strong. Power of hydrogen. Every body we have pH. Every body. Body parts all have pH. We milk, not only parts, only things, the vegetable, milk, whatever, they have pH level from 0 to 14. 0 to 7 all alkaline. 7 to after 14 all is acidic. So you must be think. I tell you everything, nobody tell for you. You want to keep your life healthy, you must be follow. And always use ginger. The ginger is best medicine for stomach, for the if you have air, your hair paining, you will eat ginger, you will be this pain will be gone. And here you have fire in here, your chest, in the heart, your gas, there is gas have paining, chest paining, you eat ginger, same time go. Yes. So, and I tell last video about the garlic also. If you have the heart problem, you can take garlic, 2-piece garlic early morning with empty stomach. You know that video and I am telling everything, you can follow that video. And whatever you want to ask about diabetes, about thyroid also, I will next video I will tell you thyroid, how to you make the medicine at home. So 1 month if you take that medicine, your thyroid will be no more thyroid, because our body, I was saying, you cleaning cloth, you making laundry. Why you making laundry? Because you want to clean your cloth. Same our body also, all parts we have to clean. If we clean all parts, we don't have any problem. Never coming problem. That's why I said, if you follow this one nature way, keep your life nature. Don't keep your life in your health in your body in the medicine. The all chemical medicine is side effect. Sometimes why thyroid problem? Because inspection coming. So this one, the ginger, why this virus coming in the mouth? Because this inspection coming. This inspection will remove ginger. If you eat ginger and drink 2-3 times ginger tea, you see, you are negative, you are never coming, you are positive. This is nothing, this virus nothing, because this is they're making afraid for you. This is normal, like a flow. When you are eat ginger tea, this already going. When you go out in the market or some people near, you just keep your mouth in ginger and little juice, sip little juice, and you keep mouth in somewhere a little bite, the juice going your body inside. So this is your protecting. Never ever come your mouth in the virus. And when you're coming, but you wash your hand all the time with the soap, no need sanitizer. Because every time you go out, coming home, you clean your hand and you clean your face. Per day, 1 day you can 5-6 times you wash your face, you wash your hand, you wash your leg, and eat all the time the ginger. Because sanitizer, if you eat sanitizer, there our chemical, our body have good cells, good cells, good bacteria. So they will die. So no need to use sanitizer. And this sanitizer not protecting you, this chemical. You want to make sanitizer home, just you take the moringa or neem, boil water. You wash that to hand, that sanitizer. That never come the virus, your hand, your body. But you do and see. If you do, you will trust, you will believe, you know. What I say, anybody have problem, you make and see, you drink and see. If who drinking ginger compulsory, he never get any fever or any flu, any disease, never get it. Always is healthy, because when you are eating ginger, your food is digestion. You don't have any problem. Why problem coming? Because our food is your food coming allergy. This food making digestion bad. If you eat ginger, you already have good digestion. So your food is digestion coming. So you don't have any problem and you have not any disease. So you must be keep ginger always, or you keep the ginger